In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Smartsheet login problems. If you're having trouble signing into Smartsheet, don't worry. In most cases, the issue can be solved with a few simple checks. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. First, open the Smartsheet login page. Make sure you're on the official sign-in screen before entering any account details. This is important because login issues can sometimes happen if you're using an outdated bookmark or an incorrect link. Starting from the main login page helps rule that out right away. Once you're there, carefully check that your email address and password are entered correctly. Even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. Pay close attention to spelling, extra spaces, and whether caps lock is turned on, since passwords are case sensitive. If your browser autofills your login information, it's also a good idea to confirm that the saved details are still current. If you still can't log in, the next step is to reset your password. Use the password reset option on the sign-in page and follow the instructions to create a new one. This is especially helpful if you're unsure whether you're using the right password or if your password has expired. After resetting it, try signing in again with the updated credentials. If the problem continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored website data can interfere with the login process, especially if the site has been updated or your session data is corrupted. After clearing that data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and return to the Smartsheet login page to try again. Another useful step is to sign in using a different browser or another device. This helps you figure out whether the issue is related to your current browser settings, extensions, or device configuration. If Smartsheet works elsewhere, that gives you a strong clue about where the problem is coming from. You should also check whether your company uses single sign-on, often called SSO. In some organizations, you may need to log in through a company portal instead of entering your credentials directly on the standard Smartsheet sign-in page. If that applies to your workplace, using the correct sign-in method is essential. If you've tried all of these steps and the error still continues, contact your Smartsheet admin or Smartsheet support for help. They can check account permissions, organization settings, and any backend issues that may be blocking access. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, you should be able to resolve your Smartsheet login issue.